This is Ortler, an iconic mountain in the Alps. And I'm standing on top of it, after climbing an exposed ridge, spending the night under the stars.
Good night.
I'm alone, and there's one more thing to do to turn this adventure into the perfect mission. That thing is to fly.
Wow.
Ortler is a big mountain, 3,905 meters, and it's the highest peak of its region, South Tyrol. Being so iconic and majestic, alpinists found dozens of different routes to reach its summit, but two are definitely the most popular. The normal route that follows the huge hanging glacier on the north side, and the Hintergrat, the southeast ridge. I wanted to combine everything I like to do in the mountains, from hiking to ridge climbing, from beaving under stars to my latest passion for paragliding. And on top of that, I wanted to do it solo. Hintergrat sounded like a challenging but kind of reasonable idea. It's exposed but not too hard, and the Ortler Glacier is a perfect takeoff for paragliders. Instead of sleeping at the hut, just like most of other people do, I wanted to sleep on the mountain, feel it, and hopefully get to the summit before anyone else that day. So, after waiting for the perfect weather window, I decided to give it a try.
Three p.m. Just started to hike. Should make it to the hut in 2.5 hours maybe. Not sure it's visible on camera, but I can already see the hut, like up on the ridge kind of. I don't have much water with me, so better use streams as much as possible. First look at the big boys. Königspitze, Ortler. Beautiful. One hour, 45 minutes. I was faster than I thought. This place is very close to what I would describe as mountain paradise. It's so beautiful. Amazing mountains, animals, little hut. It's perfect. On the moraine. Getting closer to the rocks. All right, starting to go up. Pretty steep session, tiring. I need some energies. just below this bump where I want to sleep. And after a few hours of scrambling, I'm on the place. I'm gonna spend the night. 3,400 meters just below this big snowy field. What a place. Wow. Amazing. That place is a place where I really want to go, so expect a video from there at some point. There's a super cool bivouac.
Before we keep going with the video, there's something I want to tell you. Do you want to join me in the Dolomites? Well, for the first time ever, we can make it happen. I'm so incredibly proud to be finally offering a 7-day tour in the Italian Dolomites the next September. It's a tour that I designed and organized by myself, so it's basically everything I like to do in the mountains combined in a week of adventures. We will go on sunrise and sunset hikes, spend the night in a mountain hut, and we will do that by following my favorite trails in the Italian Dolomites. I received hundreds of emails in the past asking if I organize tours or if we can go on a hike together. Well, this is the time. This tour is gonna be the beginning of it. I created a website called hikewithbruno.com. You can find more information down in the description. And yeah, I'm super excited for this new chapter and I will see you there. Now, let's keep going with the video.
Back to the origins, I forgot my spoon, so cheers.
And my bed is ready. There's an amazing starry night. I think I'm gonna spend the next 10 minutes just staring at it. It's amazing. Good night.
Alright, 5:15 in the morning. Time to go. I'm getting higher with some easy scrambling. Hello, sun. Beautiful. Let's keep going. now the hardest part. Wow. On the snow. Let's keep going. Close to the top. There. Alright. 7:45. Top of Ortler. I must say that this ridge tired me a lot, even if it's technically not that difficult. I don't know, I was tired. Maybe it was for the night out, or the lack of water, or the elevation. I don't know. But the views make it worth it always. The top is getting crowded, so it's time to go down. Looking for the spot. Alright, let's go. Yuhu! Ale! Assurdo. Wow! Incredibile! The ridge I did! perfect mission is completed. I'm so happy and tired, but more happy than tired. Yoo-hoo!
I was hungry.
Alright, that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed this adventure, and if you like adventures, make sure you check out hikewithbruno.com. The link is there in the description. I'm so happy to finally be able to take you with me in the mountains, especially to Dolomites, the mountains I've explored the most in the last years and where I created some of my best memories. Of course, we're gonna be joined by a mountain guide, so there's gonna be a mountain guide and myself. Spots are very limited, so if you're interested, make sure you check it out right now. And yeah, I will see you there, and I will see you in a next adventure.